Hi, in today's video, what we are going to see is like something again important topic, which is like again a very critical pain point for many robotic engineers. So if you are creating any map like this, maximize this one and let me zoom. Yes, so you can find these kind of maps we usually create. When you are creating a map, how accurate it is, like it is very important, but by some chance we may end up like this. So here you can see this is supposed to close, and if you zoom little more closer you can find all these are not like in perfect circle. So there is 1 2 3 4, maybe like 5. Okay, so out of 9, like 5 are like very incomplete. Again, we cannot open always to create these kind of maps. Okay, so how we can overcome this problem? Because we need to open gazebo and in parallel we need to check in always. All those things are like little tough. So instead of doing all those things, what is the easiest way to do overcome this problem is we can install one software which is called GIMP. So it's very easy. Just open it to Terminator. You can type sudo app GIMP. So if you press enter, it will ask for password. And since I have already installed, it is not giving any installation procedure kind of thing. But if you are installing for first time, maybe it will take like 2 minutes or 3 minutes based on your internet speed. And now we can just type in. Okay, so it's much similar to how we usually open gazebo or this kind of things. GIMP I have typed and it's opening. So this is the UI for GIMP. Okay, so if you want to open any particular file which we have saved, just go here and you can find the map which we have created is .pgm. That is the file extension it is mentioned here. Just you can pull like this and you can click and drag. Okay, so now you can see it is properly loaded. You need to press control button and scroll. Okay, so to zoom properly like this is very important. You can zoom like this. So let's focus on one point, maybe here first. Yes, so this is supposed to be complete properly. So how to achieve this? You can find these two colors are like by default. Either you can choose white or you can choose black. If you prefer like any other colors, you can just click here and you can pick some other colors. Okay, but for us white and black is like highly okay, and that is the default option we will get here. So let's click this reset button and we can now have black color. And if you want to use any tool, you can go here. You can find paintbrush, airbrush, ink, many things are there, but we are comfortable with pencil tool. So the shortcut is like N, so you can just press N and now you can find here. Let me just click yes. So I'm able to draw the map as we usually do. Okay, so instead of making it like very easy, just close it. This you can just click here, and if you prefer to have 2 layers, you can just add one more layer. So let's just zoom out and view now. So you cannot find like any difference or any mistake in that one. But now you can see here also we do have one problem. So let's close it properly. Okay, so now again zoom out. Yeah, so now it's like almost good. Only problem is with this one. So here you can just click and make it like this. This is not mandatory for this map, but for some other map may be required. So you can just learn. Let me close this one because our robot size is not like this much small to go inside. So we should not worry about this one. Let's make it like this. Here. Zoom out. Yeah, so this is like looking very good, but sometimes we usually get these kind of gray color marks also in the map. Okay, let's say you are having something gray here. So what we can do is like we can click this reset button and now you are getting right. So here we do have an option called size. So if you want to increase your size, you can just change here. Let's put like maybe 8, and if I'm coming inside you can see it is like very big. And now if I'm again clicking here and I'm dragging to the least, you can find it is like, so I am again having white color pencil now. So you can see here like by doing this I can clear the gray color area. Okay, so again in this map it is not like very important. we have like very few spots which is like in gray. You can change like this. If you are having a real hospital map or something like very big industrial floor map, so these plays a major role, which is like very important. You need to do correction properly. Okay, so once you have done all these things, we need to save it. Okay, so when you are doing save, don't just go to file and save. That is not correct. So you need to use an option called export. Just click export, and here you can find testmap.pgm. We already have the name as test map, so instead of that you can put testmap_1.pgm. And yeah, it will ask you for data formatting. Let it be in raw and put export. So the moment you have clicked, it will automatically saved in properly. You can find here. Okay, so the earlier name which we had is like test_map. If I'm opening it, you can find this is the image. But the new one, if I'm clicking and opening it, let me put it in full screen, zoom. Yes, so you can compare between both, like that is like much better comparing to this one. Okay, so these kind of things we can do, and this plays a major role when you are having a bigger maps. Also, if you are having like multiple maps to be connected, which means like let's assume you are going to a school where we are having like 10 or 12 classrooms which need to be uh, do mapping. This particular process will be very helpful because each class you can do individual mapping, and using GIMP we can actually merge all those classes together to form one big map. So that option also we can do using this GIMP. Okay, so this is like a very important topic. So thanks for the listening. Thank you.